Welcome to the Funeral Program site. Today we're introducing the Bouquet Funeral Stationery Collection, a beautifully coordinated memorial set designed to bring clarity, consistency, and comfort during a time when details matter most. The Bouquet Funeral Stationery Collection helps families create a complete, coordinated memorial set that honors their loved one with beauty, simplicity, and dignity, without added stress during an already emotional time. This collection includes a funeral program template, a prayer card, and a thank you card, all created in the same elegant bouquet design you see here. The soft floral background is paired with delicate butterflies and gentle sunlit tones that create a peaceful and uplifting visual. The design feels warm and graceful without being overwhelming, making it suitable for a wide range of services and personal styles. The funeral program template offers a clean, well-organized layout for the order of service, obituary, photos, and personal details. The matching prayer card provides a meaningful keepsake guests can hold on to, while the thank you card allows families to express appreciation using the same cohesive design. Together, these pieces create a unified presentation that feels thoughtful and intentional. Each template is fully editable in Microsoft Word, Publisher, Apple Pages, and Google Docs, giving you the flexibility to work in the program you're most comfortable using. You can easily update text, add photos, and personalize every detail, whether you're editing at home or collaborating with family members online. This funeral stationery design is available for immediate download today only at thefuneralprogramsite.com.